What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm on my way to a 90s cookout for the 4th, aka I believe somebody said 15 days after Juneteenth turn up. So when I get back on this cam, I'm gonna be there, so watch out for that. So why am I coming across a little stream real quick? Trying to get to this motherfucking party. Yo, why is Brittany fucking the fucking yeah, I'm dead. This bitch is gonna horn in the paint. Oh my god, look at all the smoke from these fireworks. The 90s cookout was a success. We got hella food. Hella food. Beverly, we love you. We love you forever. She's saving us.
She saves my life all the time.
Yes, we love
Bev. On a regular fucking basis.
And just to think, I thought she was weirdo for talking to the bus driver. Didn't even know. She was bomb. Yes, Bev saves the day all the time.
She really does.
Lord Jesus, we just trying to make it home. Beverly, save us. Save us, Beverly. Where's the trash cans? Oh, do you see us? Like, gang out here? Don't be smart. It was a rough time. Woo, y'all. I'm back to life. I had a bomb ass time yesterday. I got drunk, y'all. Alright. See, I don't got my eyebrows or nothing no more. Hair looks crazy because I slept on it. But big shout out to Drew and Tyler. Y'all did that. That 90s cookout was lit. They had mad food. They had all the 90s, music. They started sprinkling a little more current stuff, but it was lit. It was lit. It was a pretty bomb situation. There was no drama or anything like that. And that's the type of stuff, try not to cuss. That's the type of stuff that I like going to. No drama and good vibes all day. So, trying to recover. I was drinking tequila, and it was trying to kill me. Oh, and also big shout out to Bev. Girl, you saved us, girl. You saved us, cause that's why I be apprehensive to go to stuff where I'm out drinking or whatever, because it's hard nowadays to get like a Lyft or an Uber to pick you up wherever you're at, because they're not they're not popping, especially for a holiday. But still, beyond that, they don't be out. So that's why I be apprehensive to go to some function, and it's it's a turn up, but it's like, so how am I gonna get help? Okay. So yeah. But yeah, I had a good time. I came home drunk as fuck. And thank God I'm off today, so I'm not mad at it. What the fuck is that? Hopefully, y'all, I got enough content, at least to give you a little mini vlog. Yeah, maybe I should start off slow and do something small, and then work my way to like actually, because I mean, it was popping, but it wasn't like that to where it was like, oh, it was just never ending, content and all that stuff. It was a lot of just chill vibes, everybody was in their own little sections. And I mean, people were, of course, mixing and mingling, but it wasn't that. It was very chill. So hopefully I can give y'all at least a little something. Enjoy.